got it, I done told you, let me know. We been burning up the block, had to pack the truck and go.
My young niggas be stepping, crash out, crash dummy. I young skinny, hear my line. I said, bet that's how we coming. You can't name anything that day.
Shout out MV Lux, man. We in this bitch doing them motherfucking things behind the scenes. We're waiting on Mr. Pookie to knock out this motherfucking track. I'm going down, man. Y'all stay tuned in.
To the cruise like a fool with a started crook. Last time a nigga looked, didn't play by the big young life, got killed, everybody shoot. Bitch, I'm the king, you working on the bait for the team.
Gone. Drink too much, I'm gone. Smoke too much, I'm gone. Pop too much, I'm gone. Fuck your bitch, now I'm gone. I'm gone.
Finish your move.
Let's say you care about a nigga got in the streets all day. Hold it in the cage, just get out of my way. Big dog that is big on my birthday.
Yeah, that was gonna finish it.
I know you're probably cooking up a spread right now.
Started from the hook.
The first one?
Yeah.
Like right here or what? A little bit back.
Hey yo, Skinny, on the block, I be making movies. Got the switches on the Glock, no longer fuck with oozes. Going stupid on the beat like I done smoked some Tucci. For life, off the top, raised off MrPookie. Pockets don't want no crumbs, I want the whole loaf. Got the drop, hit the spot and then I cash ghost. Yeah, we could set it off. Something on your chest, I think it's best that you let it off.
So you think I can take this guy?
That's how we coming. That's how we coming. MrPookie, Ayo Skinny, J-Bird on a J-Bird beat, produced by J-Bird. What's up, MrPookie?
If I tell you, say whatever the fuck you want right there, bro.
J-Bird, I see you. Hey, you Skinny, on the block, I be making movies. Got the switches on the Glock, no longer fuck with Uzi. Going stupid on the beat like I done smoked some Tucci. A crew for life, off the top, raised on MrPookie. Pockets dumb, don't want no crumbs, I want the whole loaf. Got the drop, hit the spot, and then we catch ghosts. Yeah, we can set it off. Something on your chest, I think it's best that you let it off. Don't play bitch, I'm about mine. Put a 50 drum on a Ghost 9. Gotta keep the pimpin', gotta stay in line. They be saying it down, but I know they lying. So that you be feeling, ain't no love up in your feelings. Gotta be posted in. I said love again, ain't no money in this chicken. I know I'm a fool, I jump in that water and swim with the sharks. I came from the bottom, that money I get it, them diamonds gon' shine in the dark. I'm smoking that good, I'm sipping that Henny, you know that we buying out the bar. Free my dog, brown money mines, when you touch down, we going hard. I know I'm a fool, why do I act this way? In the club, yeah, I got it up, got 100 bottles, finna turn it up. Told Jay, see you at the club, pulled up with 100 dubs. Bitches pop that pussy when they see you got that money.
Yeah, man.
I came from the bottom, that money I get it, them diamonds gon' shine in the dark. I'm smoking that good, I'm sipping that Henny, you know that we buying out the bar. Free my dog, brown money mines, when you touch down, we going hard. Go. Hey, you Skinny, on the block, I'll be making movies. Got the switches on the Glock, no longer fuck with Uzi. Going stupid.
There ain't too many motherfuckers making music like this no more, man.
God damn.
I'm going on the bloopers.
But ain't too many motherfuckers doing this shit no more, man. Now they like, send me the motherfucking hook, I'll lay down the verse and send it back. Nah, we get in the booth and we lay that shit down. This is how we working, man.
Hey, yo, Skinny, on the block.
Hey, it's gonna be one of the next managers to blow up. Watch, y'all stay tuned next. When Ayo Skinny blow up, everybody gonna wanna work with this guy.
Smoke some Tucci. A group of life off the top. Raised off MrPookie. Pockets dumb, don't want no crumbs, I want the whole loaf. got the drop, hit the spot, and then we catch. Go, let's go. Yeah, we can set it off. Something on your chest, I think it's best that you let it off.
That's the dope man right there, man. I got MrPookie in the building. Got J Bird in the building. Got motherfucking
Nephew Lux got that.
MB Lux in the motherfucking building. Don't think I fucked up 'cause I don't fuck with him. I fucked up 'cause I'm dyslexia, assholes. You guys are assholes.
I'll be making movies. Got the switches on the Glock. No longer fuck with Uzo. Going stupid on the beat like I done smoked some Tucci. A group of light off the top. Raised off MrPookie. Pockets still don't want no crumbs. I want the whole load. Got the drop, hit the spot, and then we catch. Go, let's go. Yeah. We can set it off. Something on your chest. I think it's best that you let it off.
Get that bitch up there.
Pockets still don't want no crumbs. I want the whole load. Got the drop, hit the spot, and then we catch. Go, let's go. Yeah. We can set it up.
You got to go over and look at that. Yeah. Hey, he'll clean that bitch up nice.
Hey, I'm skinning on the block. I'll be making movies. Got the switches on the Glock. No longer fuck with Uzo. Going stupid on the beat like I done smoked some Tucci. A group of light off the top. Raised off MrPookie. Pockets still don't want no crumbs. I want the whole load. Got the drop.
We're supposed to be doing a mansion party. What was it?
June 27th.
June 27th.
22nd. I got a show with Lucha on the 27th.
Oh shit, that's what I've been seeing too. Hey, what's up with Lucy? That nigga still locked in and shit like that?
Yeah. Rosen had to go through some shit. He wanted to do his own thing, so I let him do his own
I'll
thing.
be making
Hey,
movies.
that's nothing more said, dude.
Yeah. I let him, but they see what he went through without me, you know what I'm saying? He getting back on it though, you know. He see what it is
don't want
now.
no crumbs, I want the whole load. Got the drop, hit the spot, and then we catch. Go, let's go. Yeah. We can set it off. Something on your chest, I think it's best that you let it off.
Mic check. Mic check. Yeah. Mic check. Mic check, 1, 2, what up? Yeah. Hey man, say man. We in there.
Yeah. All right. I finna. This one gonna be from the top for you, dog, cause I wasn't recording. But,
Oh yeah, you good? I'm just testing the mic, getting my levels right.
Okay, I'm turn this fan off right
Hey
there.
man, if we need,
Seeing how we sound on this
get out, man,
bitch.
if we need to get out, you know what I'm saying, we'll get
Oh,
out.
y'all good, bro. Y'all good. I've been doing it 25 years.
Yeah, already, man, professional.
Movies. No Uzis. Tunchi. Yeah. Whole loaf. Catch ghosts. Yeah. Fuck with me, Jill. Hey, yo, Skinny, what's up with it? Let's increase the tension. Don't give a fuck about all that talking. We gon' play positions. We so official. How we set it off like this. Them niggas scrambling. Got that switch on go. I let it off like considerable damage on. Run it back. One more time. One more time.
Yeah, on it. All right, cool. You guys hold your breath. Don't take all my
Yeah. Hey, yo, Skinny, what's up with it? Let's go. Right, run it back. Bam.
You want it closer?
Yeah. Put it closer. Okay. Hey, yo, Skinny, what's up with it? Let's increase the tension. Don't give a fuck about all that talking. We gon' play positions. We so official. How we set it off like this? Them niggas scrambling. Got that switch on go. I let it off like, bitch.
Yeah.
Keep that right there.
Yes, sir.
But take that bitch off.
Alright.
Go. Considerable damage, no coming back. Consider your family, we coming back. Give a fuck how you feeling, just know we gon' run it back. Damn. Considerable damage, no coming back. Consider your family, we coming back. Give a fuck how you feeling, just know you gon' feel me. OG, how's drilling? Let me hear that. Let me hear that right quick. They know what to hide, hop on a surprise, try your luck, see we on the grind, pressing it, got money on mine, stressing it, still up with the time, stretching it, they fucking with mine. We so official, how we set it off like this, them niggas scrambling, got that switch on go, I let it off like this. Considerable damage, no coming back, consider your family, we coming back, give a fuck how you feeling, just know you gon' feel me, OG how you feeling, they know I'm that, come through the door, we don't give a fuck, they you on the make it, while they on the mission of fake it, grind, try your luck, see we on the grind, pressing it, got money on mine, stressing it, still up with the time, stretching it, they fucking with mine, so we on the mission to make it,
the producing all that shit, man.
we on the
Y'all stay
grind,
tuned in, man. We
got money on mine, stressing it, still up with the time, stretching it, they fucking with mine, pressure bitch, we on the mission to make it, while they on the mission to fake it, you put it down on the take, watch the process for life, don't play motherfucking process.
Hey, yo, Skinny, on the block, I'll be making moves. Got the switches on the clock, no longer fuck with Uzo. Going stupid on the beat, I gotta smoke some juice.
Hey, yo, Skinny, with MrPookie, man. They making history in this motherfucker once again. Already, man. I'm just glad to be a part of this shit.
Hit the spot and then we catch go. Let's go. Yeah. We can set it off.